he not do this video, say he go buy that boy, he go miss him. Even as he there for prison, so when they arrest her for you, now you the arrest. Now for what he do? But the one we call land and anyway they talk so do to them. If for few Jews and against them. If it come to the worst, his sister Ebony gonna come, they get a visa now. They go the country where the color they go court with them. Okay? They go. And you know when you're visiting your sin, you say, Gladys B, when sentence that, when go court with that YouTuber, he knows they go fix extract money from him. So he get people when he go say talk to you. You'll say, make I teach a lesson. So that next time, you know, go try him again. So you'll see, look, this one never see money to eat finish. Now they all call sentence, may come pay me. As this brother talk, they say, okay, maybe if you get family back home, when they send money, go they give. The time we will cost spend for prison, or we will cost they do all this wahala. Now the family back home, they go suffer now. Okay? So there are reasons. When you go see look, but that will not give you the infantry. Just because you get Android, you get phone, Android, you just come out. Start to the insult, defamate person, what you know the person body, you know they talk and put. That person don't just near you at all. Just because you say, oh, that's the two and you won't control. No, say, the thief when they cash today, many people don't go there, go thief. Okay? Many people don't go there, go thief, they don't cash them. But the one when they cash, you're your person, even the first time. So don't be waiting everybody they do, you must do. Mostly when it is evil. Do that is coming, you know that that thing is evil. Now make me go ask for that bright waiting for Rome. He said he was sending me those audio because he was cashing cruise. Really? You sent me that audio because you were cashing cruise. When it was insulted by Ebony's family, they never call you gay. Now you say you won't die, somebody they pepper you. But you come out to say the people where you were insulting, or the people where you told say, I know what these people are doing is wrong. You were not saying that you were cashing cruise. So you hate to be just insulted 1%. And you are casting cruise for people insulting that person 100%. Who dare you are? Who dare are you? Eh? I mean the parable that is said that you know what you know that you cannot absorb. Don't give it to others to absorb it. Okay? Do not unto others what you don't want them to do unto you. It's even in the Bible. We are cashing cruise with my enemy's family. Lies they talk about my enemy's family. Your whole night is true. You walk in the train station till 1 o'clock in the midnight. You say no, you want to die. Die now. If your family, you don't even get family again now because you abandon your wife and children because of the work where they work. If you die, Roman community, they go bury you. No one should cash cruise with people's family. There's no fun. It's so, okay, my brother, don't mind them. Don't mind them. So, the moment they talk so.
This is somebody.
This is a brother on my Steve Many. Make I read what's in the talk for court today. Police update. These are the young boys, the cash. You see them? He said that they're underage. You know, see as the boys, they're small. See this one not even complete 18. For color to teach these people how to go to school, how to go and look for job at this age. Now you still supposed to bring apprentice. Okay? These small boys now, they're supposed to bring apprentice. Look at how young they are. Now this one they make the war, the law even go much against them for recruiting underage. You people supposed to be example. If not be they do it before, but just because you don't enter abroad or don't see. When this was start on hotel, they said no. We were starting before now. We did not get any gain. Tell me the gain these people they get now. Eh? You know how many of them dey for prison because of this cultist? You know how many of them? Just as Mayash case still carry many go prison. Because evil thing never lasts. Our head must come to evil thing. Good thing will continue for the next generation. But the people practicing it, you don't concern them. Even you take and just say it be him that very moment. That's why I said, me on this social media, I am a humanitarian. Even though I can't do presenter, I know why I am a presenter if let's go there. I'm not here to cast cruise, to insult or to look for who not look for me. Or please say in the next 2-3 years, if I don't see person insult again, if I don't see person insult again, I go enter house. God forbid. Many people are like that, yeah. I mean, these bodies are bright, so when they come, many people don't even remember them again. But 2-3 years ago, we were sending that audio. Everybody want to know him. He didn't know the voice of this my brother. He dey talk when wrong. No, he's a bit sing. Then the same thing with presenters that call themselves presenter today. At the time when I don't get who to insult again tomorrow. People don't know, say, if you don't, now saga you carry come. Now insult you can't give, you don't get. They go. Even if you never look for 2 people when they come watch, you don't go see. Okay? My home, 2 people watch me, 5 people watch me. I don't say, at the time, I don't finish with these people for court. My work will start. I'm still doing my work now. No, I know they do. Okay? I'm still doing my work. How many persons that because they come out the other day may come say they sick. Everybody donated. But we were waiting for her to go to the hospital. Exactly a month later, the people go come and say, don't do that. The money is more than enough in the accounts for her to be in the hospital. The video we're supposed to be seeing is the video of what's up after a month. Not coming again. Now some of that foundation just see this thing. You can't go, no. That's it, pepper them. I put an end to you too. For Yoruba artist people. When they use Yaba Bukola for good 4 years, they take and collect donation. They were still asking for the same money. They need 60,000 euro, 60,000 pounds to take and go UK. For 4 years, celebrities, Jennifer, Dari, Desmond, name them. Now only 4 million, they don't see just 5,000 euro. Now they don't see since how many, since 4 years, celebrities. When me I come out with Sister Naomi, we're there for Ireland. Under 11 days, the money was 9 million. Under 11 days, the money in the account was 9 million. I continue asking, update about the donation. Update that day because, this one won't come won't come out us, no, so they do. They started fighting me, physically and spiritually. But I overcome them. Because my intention for that purpose is for Iyabo Bukola to go to UK and go for a medical treatment. That is why that money was donated. In other forms, they were having 23 million naira, of which it was 60,000 euro by then. And they feel me so. The money they paid them to pay ticket, to buy everything, to take that lady to UK. At the end, she still go. Fine, she died. Just see, because they misused the money we're supposed to take go the treatment for the second time. But she will not even go out. They were not even giving her chemo. A chemo. They say the chemo is 180,000 every 2 weeks. The person will get millions for account. So she can't be able. You people cannot spend 180,000, 360,000 naira for her in a month before the visa will come out, before the everything will come out. That woman was in pain. They refused to spend money for treatment for her. To say chemo, they released the pains. They refused. Evil people. Okay, so let me read it. 6+1 boys. He said, "Uno guarda frazioni." But this one on the 2nd of March when they arrest them. So me I just play the one way come out today, the update. They come on. This one on the 4th, on Friday of 5th, I'll be here. Hey. Oh, no, yeah, the one when they hear it, I will explain them. Network. Oh.
Ci racconta un po' chi erano gli appartenenti a un gruppo molto pericoloso.
Allora, erano giovani, alcuni molto giovani, in particolare quelli presunti appartenenti al gruppo Viking, che parliamo veramente di ragazzi ventenni. Quelli appartenenti al gruppo Eie, stiamo parlando sempre di ragazzi giovani, che comunque potevano anche arrivare sui 30 anni, e forse il fatto che fossero più maturi li portava a essere più riflessivi da un punto di vista criminale e più interessati al quieto vivere per poter effettuare le attività illecite che singolarmente la maggior parte degli indagati svolgeva, in particolare nel traffico di sostanze stupefacenti. Per quelle tipologie di reati abbiamo proceduto con numerosi arresti in flagranza.
Ecco, il loro obiettivo qual era? Di avere l'egemonia dello spaccio di droga nella provincia di Reggio, quali erano i loro obiettivi?